Hello, I am Jaideep Babasaheb Pawar, working as Assistant Professor, Honorable Sri Baban Rao Pachpute Vichardhara Trust, Group of Institution, College of Pharmacy, Kasti. I am going to discuss about structure of virus. After watching this video, learners will be able to imagine basic structure of virus and explain the different components of virus structure. As we know, virus is an infectious agent and all viruses are obligate intracellular parasites. Viruses are microscopic entity consisting only one nucleic acid, either DNA or RNA, surrounded by a proteinous coat. Viruses are 10 to 100 times smaller than most of the bacteria. Now, the different components in viruses are viral nucleic acid, capsid and envelope. But envelope is not present every viruses. There are some category of viruses which possesses. Now it's time to think and reflect. Pause the video and record your answer in notebook on a question based on this slide. By using these three components of viruses, question is draw basic structure of virus. If you have finished your answer, then play the video and see the answer. The basic structure of virus is look like this. In this, that nucleic acid is coated with this proteinous coat is called as capsid, and the combination of nucleic acid and capsid is called as a nucleocapsid. Some viruses possesses that envelope protein and some membrane protein also with that spike proteins, and this is known as a viral envelope. But this viral envelope does not exist in all viruses. On this information, we can conclude that there are two types of viruses. One is naked viruses or envelope viruses. Genetic material, either DNA or RNA, has a nucleic acid with capsid protein produce nucleocapsid, and this type of viruses is known as a naked capsid virus or naked virus. But when this nucleic capsid is combined with the lipid membranes of glycoproteins, which came from the host cell, and that nucleocapsid is covered with this glycoprotein, such type of viruses known as envelope viruses. Now discuss one by one component of viral structure. First, viral nucleic acid. Viruses contain a single kind of nucleic acid, either DNA or RNA, but not both at a time. This is very important. In case of bacteria, there is presence of both RNA and DNA, but in viruses, only one type of nucleic acid is present. Viral nucleic acid encodes the genetic information which is necessary for the viral replication. In particularly host cell, this viral replication is totally dependent on this nucleic acid. On the basis of this viral nucleic acid, we can classify the viruses in two categories. That first one is the DNA virus and second one is the RNA virus. That we will discuss in detail the classification of viruses. The function of viral nucleic acid is that first, it is essential infectious component of the virion. Virion is nothing but the viral structure. It encodes the genetic information necessary for viral replication. It is the site of genetic material which carries heritable characteristics of the viruses. And the type of nucleic acid is the major character for the classifying the viruses. Next component is the capsid. Capsid is nothing but it is a proteinous coat that enclose and protect the nucleic acid. Total viral mass is because of the capsid. Capsid composed of the single or multiple proteins. It contains different unit of proteins. Each unit is known as a capsomer. This is one single unit is known as a capsomer. On the basis of this, capsid is classified into the two types. One is helical and second one is the icosahedral. This helical is look like stick-like structure and icosahedral is the hexagonal structure, but the 3D structure. In this, that particularly proteinous coat which is cover the inside nucleic acid, and this is called as icosahedral, and here in this stick-like structure that genetic material is present inside that particular stick of proteins. That first virus, tobacco mosaic virus, is observed in this helical structure. The function of capsid is capsid protect the nucleic acid from damage in external environment. Capsid facilitate the attachment of the virus to the host cell in the process of infection. If we destroy the capsid, there will be the less chance of infection. So that the most of the antiviral drugs which target that capsids. Also, capsid represent the viral antigens. Next component is envelope. As we know, envelope is not present in every type of viruses. There are some group of viruses which possess the envelope. Sometimes capsid is covered with that envelope, which is the lipoprotein membrane composed of the lipid layer from the host cell and the protein from the viruses. Lysogenic cycle for the replication of viruses, it is responsible for these envelope viruses. That time, budding process. At the time of budding, what happened? Virus take the lipoprotein from the host cell with its own proteins and produce envelope. Some envelopes are plain, but some envelopes having a spikes. That spikes is nothing but the carbohydrate protein complex called as a glycoproteins used to the attach to the host cell, and this is the structure of envelope. This is the genetic material which is covered with the proteinous material called as a capsid, and this is the lipoprotein membrane with glycoproteins envelope. In electron scanning microscope, these envelope viruses look like this. Most of the influenza viruses are envelope viruses. The function of envelope. Envelope protect the nucleic acid from the host acid and protein digesting enzymes. It assists in a binding and penetrate the host cell. It simulates the host immune system because it has the same lipoproteins of the host cell. In this, we have discussed the different components which are present in viruses, that is viral nucleic acid. There are two types. One is the RNA viruses or DNA viruses. Second one is the capsid, which is the proteinous coat, and last one is the envelope, which is not present in every type of viruses. Envelope is nothing but the lipoproteins covered capsids containing inside viral nucleic acid, either DNA or RNA. Thank you. Thank you all. Happy learning.